Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong vlog na naman ngayong araw ay birthday ni Crystal, kaya let's go! Samahan nyo ako. Happy birthday! Let's get now guys. Before he is small, not now, smaller than me now. Yahoo! Guys, so ito ang kanyang surprise, pero i-vlog ko na yan ang nasa loob. Ito meron nandyan na, meron pa rito sa baba. Yan na. Someone is coming. I don't want to say. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I don't want to see you this one. I'm hiding. If somebody's come round.
I'm ready. When my mom said I need to fill this one and said to go down.
Yeah. This is the celebrant now. This is my girl now. He's adult now. She look after me now.
After you now. Oh, this cake. You didn't hide my
Look at that. Please look at this. Oh, supposed to be this is surprise, but he is surprise. But how can I surprise this now? It's she's in already. What?
Yeah, I just saw the cake.
But in here,
No.
I got this one, guys. I got this one. Surprise, yan. Happy birthday from Dad. Yan. And then this one, other one. This is from happy birthday as well from Mom. Yan, from Mom. And then the other one is the card. Happy birthday, Ate Crystal, from your brother Kent. Something in there inside. Yeah. So is the secret. Why this celebrant is immediately come down?
You're gonna be late. We'll see you in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Not 8 minutes.
Yeah, and then this is the girl, yeah. Alright, Crystal Pearl at 18th. Happy birthday. Ayan. Alright, okay. Yahoo! Alright guys, yan o. Ito na yung aming dalaga. Adult na. We have 3 adult in this house now. Alright.
How old is that?
14.
So it's not that big.
Yeah. Okay. Alright guys. Yahoo! We're gonna see you in the restaurant. Right. Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa may Douglas Restaurant. Kaya pupunta tayo sa may reception kung saan meal ang ating dalaga. Kaya magkita-kita tayo doon. Dito tayo guys. Dito tayo sa may bonsai. Balik tayo. Ito yung bonsai guys. Oh. Ayan. So pasok tayo sa loob. Dito yung kainan na gibok ng ating dalaga. Oh. Right. So dito tayo. Hi Mike, you alright? Yes, good. Hello.
Hello. 18.
Yeah.
12 years old.
Yes, yeah.
Sabi ko sa asawa mo, oh, nahiya daw eh.
Ito yung may-ari ng restaurant dito guys. Maganda rito. Yan.
I said to
Alright, okay guys, so dito na tayo sa may reception, restaurant. Ito yung pinili ng ating celebrant kung saan tayo kakain ngayon. Ayan, dito tayo ngayon sa may Bonsai Sushi. Ayan o. Di ba? Ayan. So, dito tayo ngayon. So, hindi natin makakalimutan. Happy birthday to my daughter. Ayan. Happy 18th birthday, my love. So you are adult now. Dito na yan siya. Nag-order. Nag-o-order pa ng kanyang gustong kainin. Ayan. Nag-o-order pa. Ayan lang natin. Naghanap sila ng order na. Ito naman si Kent. Ayan. Kent is 14, 13. 14. Ayan. Ayan, 14. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman ang kanyang daddy at kanyang mommy. Ayan. Order natin na Sprite, guys. Ito na ang ating order na Sprite. Ayan. With ice cube. Ayan. At tapos ito naman kay Arlen, Coke. Kent is Fanta. Ayan. And ang order ni Kent. Ayan. What did you say to your sister? Happy birthday. Just happy birthday. Okay. How about you? What did you say to your daughter? That's
You very much.
all right. Okay.
I love you.
Always remember that you are our pride and joy.
Yeah.
Pride and joy.
All right. Happy birthday, Krista. What can you say to your birthday?
It's a great day.
Very good. Just that's it.
Yeah. And yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This
Tastes like apple juice.
this is the celebrant now trying to sip cocktail. Oh, that's it. Cocktail now. First 18th birthday. Yan, mayroon na siyang cocktail, guys.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you, my love. Crystal. You're adult now.
Someone remember.
Alright, guys, andito na. Andito na yung kuha natin. Andito na ang ating order. Ayan ang ating mga order. Yeah. Ito yung red sniper, guys. Fish. Just put in here. Yeah. Thank you. Alright. Ayan. Happy birthday. Wow. Ito yung isda, guys. Oh. Wow. Kalaki-laki, guys. Yan. Yeah. Alright, guys. So, dito na tayo. Kain na tayo, guys. Ayan. Eating time, guys. Eating time. Ayan, oh. Wow. Kadami-daming pagkain, guys, oh. Ayan. Alright. Ito, oh. Grabe kalaki, guys.
God, why do you not just flip it backwards?
Yan, oh. Kalaki-laki na kwan. Red sniper. Ayan.
You almost dropped it. You just flip it backwards. What's
So, happy birthday to Crystal. Wow. That's it. Wow. Thank you.
You welcome.
Okay. Eating time, guys. Ayan.
God, my nose is so itchy.
Yan na, guys, oh. Eating time, guys. Ito na, oh. Laki. Guys, so yan, ah. Ang nangyari ngayon. Ito na ang nangyari ngayon, guys, sa aming mga kinain. Oh, buto na lang naiwan. Oh, yan oh. Yan oh, full na ang celebrant. Ken is still eating, guys.
No, he's done.
No, it's not. Still eating. Yan. Thank you very much, Crystal, for the dinner.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
At happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to
Yan. Okay. Yan. Kaya palis na tayo. Okay. Yan. Thank you for the dinner. Crystal. Alright guys, so ngayon tapos na kami kumain. Ngayon tapos na kami kumain. Hindi na namin gibuksan ang cake dito at saka mga gift namin doon na lang sa bahay din buksan. Kaya ngayon, paalis na tayo. Ayan guys, ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan na guys, oh. Alright. Tapos dito ang bonsai guys, oh. Ayan, mayroon din silang cakes dyan guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan ang kanilang cakes. Tapos ito ang kanilang ito ang reception. Ito ang mga kung mag-order ka ng mga wine, liquor, beer, lahat andito na. Ayan. Alright. So ito na. Ito na guys. Ayan. Oh. Tapos na tayo. Alright. So dito na sila. Meron pa tayo dito. Alright. Alright. Okay guys. Ito na. Look at guys. I'm the smallest now. They are tall to me now. Ayan o. Oh, di ba? Okay. Okay. Alright. Yan. Ang ganda. Di ba? Ang ganda. Ayan. So, the couch is very nice here, guys. Yan. Ito yung entrance ng bonsai. Ayan. Inside there. Alright guys, that's the kids. Ito ang hotel. Ito 16th October 2025. Welcome to the Sipton Hotel. Breakfast is served in Harris on the first floor. Yan. Ganda guys. Alright. Yan. Okay. It's nice. Yeah. Take a photo. Wow. Let me pick a photo. Wow. Wow.
We're taking a picture with my mom.
Oh, right.
Ready? 1, 2.
Alright guys, so ngayon palabas na tayo ng restaurant. Kaya palabas na tayo ng promenade. Kaya makita-kita naman tayo doon sa kabilang party sa friend ni Crystal and Ken. Alright, okay. Yan, oh. Hihi! Okay guys, so ito ganito kung gabi dito. Ayan. Ito. Yan siya. Okay. Yan. Alright. So we gotta dance here. Alright. There. Come on. Alright guys, ayan. Ayan sila. Ayan. Mayroon din dito mini garden. Ito, dito pwedeng mag-upo-upo ka rito. Tambay-tambay. Ayan. Dito sila. Yan. So, walking. Lakad-lakad lang tayo, guys. Yan. The corner. Yan. Dito lang tayo. Lakad-lakad. Yan o. Di ba? Oh. Sweet. Dito tayo. Alright. Okay, so magkita-kita naman tayo doon sa kabilang party kay Nana. Yan. Hello. Oh, you right? Good, good, good. Kumusta? Yeah.
Uy, kuya. Shout out, shout out.
Shout out, shout out. Shout out, shout out. Allah, busy man. Allah. Busy man. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, Allah, busy man.
Lobo dito.
Wow.
Hi, Tito.
Hello, happy birthday.
Thank you po. Bless po.
Bless you. Yan na si Nana. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday. Happy birthday, birthday. Dito na yung mga kids. Bless you. Hello. Bless you.
Hi, Ken.
Bless you, bless you, bless you. Ah, maingay. Oh, bless you.
Happy birthday.
Hindi naman nalata. Yeah. Ay, kumusta?
Uwi na kayo.
Ito, i-vlog ko kayo ha. Kasama kayo sa vlog ko ha.
Sige po.
Hi, welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to our vlog. Okay lang? Okay lang?
Magpasok tayo. Magpasok ka?
Happy birthday? Happy birthday? Kumusta?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang?
Wait lang.
Si kamu gayam datoy. Si kamu gayam datoy. Ada nakita kita nga kanak ka. Ang dami tao rito. Ay! Hey! 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 Kumusta man? Kumusta? Ayos lang.
Dessert na, dessert.
Dessert na.
Wala, nakita ka niya nag-iyak. Biscuit!
Hihi! I include you.
Ante, may macaroni doon. Oo, makuha lang ako. Thank you.
Yan na.
May may-aring bahay.
Yeah. Ito ang owner ng bahay. Yan. So, happy birthday sa kanyang anak.
Thank you.
Yan, si Nana.
Busy.
14? 13? 14 na?
14.
Ah, 14 years old na si Nana. Oh.
Sila ni Crystal Kalangkel.
Ah, October 16 din. Yan na nga. Kaya kung wala kaming handa doon, dito na kami.
Kami wala handa doon.
Doon ka na. Ganun lang yan. Ayan, ka-birthday pala sila. Ayan. Doon kayo, nagkakantahan sila doon, oh. Ito. Ito, nagkakantahan naman sila dito. Hello po. Kumusta? Ayos na? Darren. Si Jun. Nice to meet you. Yan, kasama kayo sa vlog ko ha. Yan, kasama kayo sa vlog.
Ano, sa vlog?
Ayan, Mags.
Shout out sa family ko. Miss ko na kayo.
Totoo yan?
Pero nakakain ako ng kikiam.
Kel, kain ka na ng cake doon.
Oo. Kuha.
Bilis yun. Nanalo daw.
Oo nga. Kaya, okay yan.
Kain ka na. Kumain ka ng cake.
Kain ka na.
Kuya, kuya.
Hindi ka ba kumain?
Babalik ako.
Babalik daw siya, oh. Magsibat na. Oh, tignan nyo guys, ang cake. Yan ang cake ni Nana guys. Paubos na. Ayan, ito yung kanyang flower. Ayan. So, happy birthday to Nana. Parehas sila ng birthday ni Crystal. Ayan. Ito ang mga audience, guys. Mahal kasi ang bayad, kaya hindi sila maglapit. May nagkakanta kasi doon sa loob, kaya dito sila sa likod. Hala. Oh, ito yung si Nana. Happy birthday, Nana.
Thank you, Tito.
Yan na si Nana. Oh. Happy birthday. Happy 14th day. Mainit ba? Yun si Nana, guys.
Tito, wag mo isali yan.
Sali ko yan.
Isali!
Yan na si Nana, guys. Happy birthday, Nana. Wishing you all the best.
Bakit na ako?
Kuya.
Kala ko nasa hotel ako eh.
One more. Mag-uwi na kami, guys. Yan na. Dito na, guys. Oh. Pauwi na kami. Yan na yung mga dalawang celebrant.
Dance na. Oh, what is Emma singing? Yeah?
Pauwi na kami.
You pay. The boys will pay.
Tapos dito naman dito sa kabila. Pauwi na daw. Dito naman. Ayan, guys. Alright. So, pauwi na kami. Magkita-kita naman tayo doon sa bahay mamaya. Shout out kay, anong pangalan?
Daryl.
Daryl. Yan, si Daryl. Shout out sa kanyang family dyan sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Ayan. Mabait siya rito sa Ilugman.
Yeah.
Mabait na mabait.
Kasama ko si Tito Sante.
Oh, ito si Sante. Si Sante pala to eh. Oh, yan. Oh. Yan.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Like and subscribe.
Yan, Pelmang's Vlog.
Ano po?
Alright guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa bahay. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa ating bahay ngayon. Kaya dito natin sisindihan ang kandel ni Crystal. At dito natin ibibigay ang mga presents niya ngayong birthday niya. Ayan, ayan na si Crystal. Happy si Crystal kay adult na. Wow. This is our lady. Yan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dear Lord, God bless you. Dear Lord, God bless you. Yee-hee. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my love! You make your wish. Woo! Welcome!
Now, where's your...
This is my... Oh, this is your presents from the family. From me, from your mom, and from your brother. Yan. Alright, look in the box. Oh, that is the card. That is the card from your brother. Wow! Woo! Money, money!
Dear Crystal, happy one on your 18th birthday. Lots of love. Wow, thank you guys. That's everything.
Yeah, everyone. Letter.
Oh, what's in here?
That is from your mom.
Oh my daughter. This is from my mom.
Yeah.
Is it car keys?
That's a cookies. You're looking for cookies.
Oh, what's this? I don't know what it is. There's a star on top. Show my star. Aww. Oh, this is a star.
Where's I put it?
There's three sections.
I'll put in the
Last one.
In the last one.
Next one. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, wow, it's nice. What one? From your dad.
I get the 6 one. You know what?
Yes, the cookie.
Okay, you can put it on the side. Chair there. That's your back.
What's in here? Car keys?
Cookies. Cookies. Not that one. With item.
Paper. No? What's in it? The box?
The box.
Wow.
It's nice.
It's a real camera.
I don't know. Okay,
I think it's car keys. Or is it
it's
car keys?
cookies. There's a bag.
There's a bag.
Wow.
What's in this bag? Is it a
Right?
car keys?
I think so.
I think so.
Look at if that is the card.
No, it's not car keys. It's a camera.
Wow.
Wow. It's a beautiful camera. Wonderful.
You like it?
I love it.
You like it?
I think your dad is super happy with them.
Oh.
Love you very much.
I love you, my love. tall now to me. They're tall now, guys. So, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ayan. Hindi kayo magsawang manood sa ating mga vlog. Happy birthday ulit.
It's almost there.
Alright, sis. Alright, guys. So,